Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. Now that we've cleaned everything spotless, we're going to refit the gear, and I'm going to apply a spot of technical petroleum jelly to the gear axle here, and if a spot will also go at the front, is not really a problem because it'll increase conductivity. In fact, I forgot to clean one thing, which is a good idea. Better give this contact a clean. This is needing a clean as well. Okay, let's get some lighter fluid, and I didn't clean it over here, which is slightly oxidized. Let's do that right now. Definitely a spot of technical petroleum jelly there will increase conductivity. Okay, very dirty. And I'm going to clean this contact here as well, in particular the part which comes in contact with the chassis, which is really needing a clean. Another of these, steep it in there. Seems to be okay. I don't need to clean it with, I don't think I need to clean it with anything else. With a fiberglass pencil, just make a mess. It's not really oxidized, it's nice and shiny. Look at that. You know what we'll do? We'll give it a spot of contact cleaner just for belt and braces. See, we've got the stuff. Here it is. Let's do the contact cleaner. Okay, that's nice and clean. We'll also run a toothpick through it so that we can really see it's clean. It's shiny, it's okay, that's it. Let's not complicate our lives excessively. Of course, I've put my hands in grease, so now my hands are greasy. Righto. There. Stick this bit of paper in my pocket. Right. Okay. Now, technical petroleum jelly, a toothpick, and let's get cracking. There's the wee nuts. There's the thing here. We're turning this around the other way because we have to go in this way, and we're just going to, this has come nice and clean. I got rid of all the gunk that was up there, all the fluff. I'm going to use a wire. The best thing to use is a wire when you're using this, as I've got plenty of grease here at the bottom. This bit of silver paper. Oh, that's stuck on the thing. The hell's this? Bit of silver paper from the. Okay, Bob's your uncle. Right. Pop some grease in there. Like that. Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport again. So the video stopped. There was a problem, okay, either overheating, incoming message. Let me just tell you what I did after greasing this the main gear. So I greased the main gear, I refitted it, then I reassembled. I'm gonna have to get a wee turntable or make one. Then I refitted this nut with the connection here, and after that, but I think you see this in the last part of the video. You'll see me at the end tightening with a screwdriver and the bolt socket and a nut socket. Using 2 screwdrivers, you'll see me reconnecting this. Then, of course, after doing that, I refitted the motor. The motor, because at one point I couldn't find the screw anymore. The screw had got lost because the very beginning of filming, the lamp, my extra light had fallen off. Magnetic lamp had fallen off my main desk lamp. I refitted the motor with this screw and tested the locomotive. So the locomotive now is ready I'm ready to lubricate the linkage and the valve gear, and then we'll have finished. So we'll carry on from here with a final video without any problems related to what the rest of the final tightening jobs and I did, and also the test with a 9-volt battery. So on we go.